Good morning, QSI Benin Lions. Today is Wednesday, the 6th of May. Now you could look behind me, and you know that it isn't morning right now. I usually do these midnight, around the middle of the night, after a long day, and I know all of you had long days as well. But when I do it, I actually do get a moment to reflect. And what I wanted to kind of talk about is what I'm reflecting on right now. Reflecting on all the work I've seen coming in from students, beautiful work, creative work, and I'm also reflecting on all the teachers who have worked very hard during this time, along with their parents who correspond and work with teachers and work with their children. They're kind of a conduit between the school and home right now, and I appreciate that greatly. All I can think about is just how hard everybody is trying to work to make things happen for your education. And I hope you as children realize that as hard as this time is right now, that we're doing everything we can at the best way we can to make sure that you still have a chance to learn every day, grow, be creative, have fun, converse with each other on Zoom meetings. And I hope that no matter how hard this is, that you all have an opportunity to still grow greatly at this time, and also use this time to learn things you just haven't learned or done before. I want to wish everybody a great week, and I want to thank our teachers especially. Today, I want to kind of make a mention to the fact that it's Teacher Appreciation Week. And I know that many of you have been thinking of your teachers and have been corresponding with them to show your appreciation for what they do. I know from what I hear in meetings, from what I see in emails, our teachers miss you. They miss you greatly, and they wish they can be back with you. And they're hoping to be back with you as soon as possible. For us, it'll mean in August, on our first day of school for August 27th. But we all look forward to that day when we're all back together in school. And we will keep in contact with everybody else who is moving on to other places. And we'll make sure that we do our best to make the end of this school year something worthwhile, regardless of the fact that we're in distant homes and far apart from each other. My best to all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of this week. Have a great Wednesday. Bye-bye.